tell you he's a Catholic. Oh, a good Catholic boy, Scranton Joe. But in the next breath, he's on board with the Democrats championing abortion up until the first report card. Okay? Any extremist view that's popular within his own party, he can't gravitate towards fast enough if he thinks it'll help his own political fortunes. And that's why we're getting rolled by China on the world stage. They sent over that weather balloon, okay? They called it a weather balloon with a straight face, as it was spying on our intercontinental ballistic nuclear facilities. Okay, flew it right down the country. The thing is controlled by China, okay, because they knew he'd be more concerned with the political costs than the military calculus of how to come back and say no. Do you remember Dikembe Mutombo, NBA shot? Probably at his best years for the Denver Nuggets, but Dikembe Mutombo used to reject shots and then wag his finger at you. Like, hell no. You didn't bring this in there. What are you, nuts? I'm Dikembe Mutombo. Would you stop it? Okay, and that's who we're supposed to be when it comes to foreign policy. You don't bring that into America. What are you, nuts? You're supposed to wag the finger, shoot it down. Okay, we didn't do that. Okay, we went a little soft. And I understand you could talk to me about, well, you know, we had to get it out of the, you know, heavily populated areas of Alaska and Montana. You know, there's so much population out there. I mean,
come on, don't bullshit me.
Joe Biden's problem is the politics have always come before the people. And when the politics come before the people, you're willing to do and say anything to enhance your own political fortunes. And that's why when Biden gets out there tonight, he says, well, the State of the Union is good. I don't doubt that he believes that in his head, because in his head, he thinks that's enough to get him reelected. But to anybody paying attention, there is no way in hell he's winning 2020. And the more you watch him, the harder it becomes to believe that he won in 2020.
What can I tell you, kid? You're right. You're right, you're right. You're right.
It's the fastest part of your workday.
Wow, you're pretty quick for a big guy.
Fox Across America with Jimmy Fallon.
For your dog. Every day, more dog people and more vets are quitting the kibble, kicking the cans, and feeding their dogs dog food that's actually, well, food. Dog food is developed with vets, made fresh from real meat and veggies, portioned right to your door. Get 50% off your first box of smarter, healthier pet food at thefarmersdog.com/fresh start. That's thefarmersdog.com/fresh.
Do you experience pain, burning, numbness, or tingling in your hands, legs, or feet? Are you worried your balance may lead to a damaging fall? Danville Neuropathy Center has a proven, exciting treatment for peripheral neuropathy that repairs and regrows damaged nerves. It's FDA cleared, and because of its success, Medicare and most major insurances cover the treatment. Don't risk your health any longer. Call 925-270-1460 to schedule an appointment or visit DanvilleNeuropathyCenter.com. That's 925-270-1460. We are a COVID-compliant facility.
Do you have low water pressure in your kitchen or bathrooms? Hi, this is Pete from Repipe Specialists. Many people don't realize that these are all symptoms of corroded pipes, and these issues will only get worse. Call Repipe Specialists. We've been seamlessly and expertly solving these problems for over 30 years. With our proprietary process, we'll repipe your entire home in just 1 to 2 days. Call us by Saturday at 844-737-4736 to save 20% on your entire job. Plus, you'll get 0% interest for a year on approved credit. That's 844-737-4736. Repipe.com.
Fremont Bank. If there's one thing we understand more than anybody, it's that it takes a local bank to really get the needs of local businesses. And more than anything, local businesses need access. Access to a full suite of business services. Can't come to the bank? We'll come to you. Our devotion to our clients beat. That's why Fremont Bank remains the right choice for local and family-owned businesses. Learn more at fremontbank.com.
Toyota's President's Day sales event is officially underway. Right now, get low 3.99% APR financing on RAV4, Camry, Corolla, and Highlander. Toyota, let's go. Click the banner or visit buyatoyota.com for details.
At Right Way Garage Doors, we consider what we do inspired craftsmanship. Our design pros are artists, using wood, glass, and metal as their brushes, your home, their canvas, all inspired by your vision. Right Way Garage Doors has been delivering the highest quality work with the right value and the right customer experience for 42 years. Check out their blowout sale. For a limited time, receive 15% off your garage door purchase, plus qualify for up to 24 months no-interest financing. Call 877-DOOR-808 or visit rwgaragedoors.com.
Looking for affordable, reliable auto insurance? Freeway has you covered. Freeway has great low rates for auto insurance as low as 99 cents a day. Say goodbye to overpriced rates and start saving today. Freeway has hundreds of options to choose from. Let Freeway help you find the coverage that fits your needs. Freeway is available online, by phone, or in person. With rates as low as 99 cents a day, you could save hundreds a year. Tap the link below for a fast, free quote. Freeway, driving savings. Some restrictions and fees may apply. Quoted price for liability premium only.
Vitas healthcare nurses thrive in a team-focused environment by peers who share their passion for caring.
I can't recall one bad experience working in the Vitas team. We all work together collaboratively, and let's find ways to improve it. And that is really what prompted me to come and work for Vitas.
Maximize your impact on a team that works together. Apply today at careers.vitas.com. Your passion, our purpose, endless possibilities.
Join music director Esa-Pekka Salonen and the San Francisco Symphony for Anton Bruckner's Sixth Symphony, a work filled with themes and imaginative. Pianist Connor Hannock opens the program with the world premiere by Samuel Adams, a composer famed for his expressive music. February 23rd and 26th. Tickets available at sfsymphony.org/EPS.
The Royals. And at River Rock Casino, it will happen with the Luck of the Draw Royal Flush 125. With 3 giveaway dates. Our first drawing is Saturday, March 18th at 9 p.m. and 10. 5 lucky club members will play the Royal Flush game, and 1 will win $10,000. The club and start earning drawing tickets. Details at riverrockcasino.com. River Rock Casino, just over 20 minutes north of Santa Rosa.
It is Fox Across America with Jimmy Fallon holding this country together at 888. Harris Faulkner's coming up in a little while. We're also going to be joined from Jim Jordan from the great state of Ohio. The batting leadoff, their opening act is out in Brooklyn, New York. Alex is on the phone. Yo, Alex!
Hey, Jimmy. The union address that Joe Biden's going to give is that, everyone's speculating about what he's going to discuss and what kind of tactics he's going to use to defend the disasters caused by his administration. Himself, the one who's going to give the speech tonight, has no freaking idea about what he's going to talk about, and he's going to be reading it off from the teleprompter. So we, the audience, know more about the kind of things he's going to talk about than he himself does.
So are you not believing her when she says Biden's?
I think she was just drunk when she said that, because she knows more than us about what goes on.
Oh, there's no question. Right. Well, you know what I think is crazy, Alex? Like, you're a pretty perceptive guy. Don't you think strategically it's a dumb idea going bad for them personally? Like, if 71% of the country think it's going bad, you telling them it's going good kind of discredits you. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. To say that because the handlers had enough with Joe Biden. They know that he can't make it in the general, and that's also why they had no problem letting the story about the classified documents leak out, because they don't have re-election, instead of Joe Biden. Well,
oop, I lost you. They might have whacked him. Alex, he said the Democrats have nobody else to put up for 2024, and I think the Clintons whacked him. Oh, Alex, you can't go saying that stuff in the state of New York. Folks, I'm kidding. Come on. Stop it. We're just telling jokes about the Clintons. These are silly jokes. You stop it.
This is not okay.
Oh, that doesn't end good for me. That's not. Now we got Hillary upset. Make no mistake about it. If Biden doesn't run in 2024, believe me, the people's pantsuit is waiting in the wings, and she's got all kinds kinds of energy to give it another go.
I don't feel no ways tired.
No, ma'am. You understand. And this is the thing, and it's why it's such a precarious time in the Biden presidency. I'm fascinated by all of this. It's to me like politics, really interesting, but I watch it, it's like just an odd sitcom for me. You know, I've met most of these people. I think they're all ridiculous. I grew up believing that everybody in Washington was like a genius who only cared about America, doing anything that would put America's interests second to their own. I honestly believe that. And then I started around politics. And I was like, oh my God, these people are sociopaths. They're all monsters, no idea what they're doing. So in watching all of these little dramas play out, you know, we've gotten to this weird precipice in terms of the writers' team and what make this sitcom in for the next season. It's like, do they keep Biden? Do they get rid of Biden? You know, he looked finished before the midterms, but then he exceeded expectations in the midterms through no doing of his own, but then proceeded to fall completely off a cliff and had any objective observer just looking at the guy and, you know.
We have a president that is clearly not all there.
You couple that with a historically unpopular vice president, the fact that 71% of the country in the right direction, and I'm pretty sure the writers' room is looking at Joe Biden and saying, get him out of here! Get him out!
Do you experience pain, burning, numbness, or tingling in your hands, legs, or feet? Are you worried your balance may lead to a seriously damaging fall? Danville Neuropathy Center has a proven, exciting treatment for peripheral neuropathy that repairs and regrows damaged nerves. It's FDA cleared, and because of its success, Medicare and most major insurances cover the treatment. Call 925-270-1460 to schedule an appointment or visit DanvilleNeuropathyCenter.com. That's 925-270-1460. We are a COVID-compliant facility.
The simplest healthy habit to this new year is one for your dog. Every day, more dog people and more vets are quitting the kibble, kicking the cans, and feeding their dogs food. The Farmer's Dog Food is developed with vets, made fresh from real meat and veggies, portioned for your dog and delivered right to your door. Get 50% off your first box of smarter, healthier pet food at thefarmersdog.com/fresh start. That's thefarmersdog.com/fresh start.
Fox News, I'm Chris Foster. China's foreign ministry says the balloon shot down Saturday's Chinese property. The Pentagon says they're not getting it back. The Navy's put out pictures of debris being lifted from the Atlantic. Tennessee Republican Mark Green chairs the House Homeland Security Committee.
The fact that someone gave the president the advice not to shoot it down before it traversed over what appears to be 21 military installations is indefensible.
That advice was to protect civilians on the ground.
The Biden administration was calm, calculated, and effective.
Top Senate Democrat Chuck Schumer, Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas in Glendale, Arizona, ahead of Sunday's Super Bowl, says they've seen no credible threats.
Every individual, every piece of equipment is screened before it enters this facility.
Looking for affordable, reliable auto insurance? Freeway has you. Freeway has great low rates for auto insurance as low as 99 cents a day. Say goodbye to overpriced rates today. Freeway has hundreds of options to choose from. Let Freeway help you find the coverage that fits your needs. Freeway is available online, by phone, or in person. With rates as low as 99 cents a day, you could save hundreds a year. Tap the link below or go to freewayinsurance.com for a fast, free quote. Freeway, driving savings. Some restrictions and fees may apply. Quoted price for liability premium only.
Value and appreciate your expertise, collaborative spirit, and passion for caring.
The biggest aha moment for me, I didn't feel very appreciated. I get told by the managers fairly often that they appreciate my work. Everyone is recognizing you and your career and what you're doing for your community.
As you make a difference, apply today at careers.vitas.com. Your passion, our purpose, and
pressure in your kitchen or bathrooms? Hi, this is Pete from Repipe Specialists. Many people don't realize that these are all symptoms of corroded pipes, and these issues will only get worse. Call Repipe Specialists. We've been seamlessly and expertly solving these problems for 30 years. With our proprietary process, we'll repipe your entire home in just 1 to 2 days. Call us by Saturday at 8 36 to save 20% on your entire job. Plus, you'll get 0% interest for a year on approved credit. That's 844-737-4736. Repipe.com.
Tess here. I've always had problems sleeping, and once I fall asleep, I couldn't stay asleep. I searched getting to sleep ASAP. So check this out. Sleep ASAP is a real product by NutriStrips. It's not a pill or drug. It's this amazing little thin strip you put right on your tongue, and it activates immediately. Tastes great too. Best night's sleep ever.
Go to mysleepasap.com and discover how you can try a full month's supply. ASAP.com.
Join music director Esa-Pekka Salonen and the San Francisco Symphony for Anton Bruckner's Sixth Symphony, a work filled with beautiful themes and imaginative twists and turns. Pianist Connor Hannock opens the program with a world premiere by Samuel Adams, a composer famed for his expressive genre-bending music. And 25th through 26th. Tickets available at sfsymphony.org/EPS.
At Right Way Garage Doors, we consider what we craftsmanship. Our design pros are artists, using wood, glass, and metal as their brushes, your home, their canvas, all inspired by your quality work with the right value and the right customer experience for 42 years. Check out their sale off your garage door purchase, plus qualify for up to 24 months no interest financing. Call 877-DOOR-808 or visit rwgaragedoors.com.
More than anybody, it's that it takes a local bank to really get the needs of local businesses. Fremont Bank has the flexibility and motivation to like other banks can't or won't. With our full suite of business loan products and recognition in the Bay Area, Fremont Bank is the right choice for local and family-owned businesses. Fremont Bank. Learn more at fremontbank.com. Member FDIC, Equal Housing Lender.
Raiders jersey, freaking hard. Nice Raiders
oh girl,
jersey. Like
it is Fox Across America with a radio buddy Fela 888-788-9910. We were previewing the State of the Union. That's going on tonight in Washington. We've also got this, press conference yesterday with Karine Jean-Pierre. She is so bad at her job. I mean, she really is. She was, of course, brought in to replace Jen Psaki. Biden sucks. I mean, who was bad at picking out press secretaries, because in the other words of Lincoln,
Psaki sucks. Kaylee was so much better.
That's funny. Bringing up Kaylee McEnany, I saw her today. Today is her first day back here at the Fox News Channel. She was out on maternity leave, and Kaylee is officially back in action on the airwaves today. Talk about a win for the American people. Kaylee's the coolest. Like, we get on so well. I always love talking to her. She's great on this show. She's great on Outnumbered. I was on Outnumbered this past Friday. She was still out. We will be on Outnumbered again together on February the 16th. It is a Thursday. It is coming up one day before I depart for Utica, where I will be at the Fat Cats Comedy Club doing 5 sold-out shows. Thanks for that, man. I really appreciate the support I get from this team. It is awesome to go on the road and meet all of you guys, although you're maniacs. The Reno crowd, the Carson City crowd that we hung out with this weekend, me and Lincoln are still trying to sober up. That was a wild one. That was really crazy. I got an Instagram message from Sammy Hagar. He runs some Beach Bum Rum, which sponsored the events out in Reno. And it's just such a bizarre time to be alive in my house. And you're back and forthing with, like, the lead singer of Van Halen. And your kid on stage wearing some weird cowboy shirt, and I'm basically a traveling party clown who has a side job in cable news, it's me. Well, again, to get back to what I meant to discuss, the big clown show, big 3-ring circus, is in the Karine Jean-Pierre, okay? Catching some hell in terms of the balloon, okay? People wanting to know what the deal is. Why did they not act sooner? Don't ever forget, okay, that Barack Obama's defense secretary, Leon Panetta, famously said they should have shot it. Before this gets categorized as some like right-wing attack, some fuck shit job on the Biden administration. Here it is, Leon Panetta, flat out, clip 12.
And I'm not that we should have allowed it to simply cross over the country, cross over military sites. I don't see the logic of that. So the question